Okay, Google just dropped VO version 3.
Our new state-of-the-art model, VO3.
Is it good for making AI music videos? Is it a step above? Firstly, it is awesome. On this episode, I'm going to talk about what VO3 looks like, how it compares to what else is up with it out there, pricing, outline, where you can use it, where you can't, how you can use it if you can't. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. I checked it out. I'm just going to show you, because this is primarily an AI music channel, I'm just going to show you what you can do. And then I'm going to talk about what I did. Then we'll just go into some other details. Cool. So I want to show you what I did just quickly. I went in and I wanted to see if it does lip sync like I've seen online, whether it can actually sing songs and match the lips to the words. So this is what I asked it for. Create a video of a typical real estate agent at an auction singing about how he likes ice cream while the bidders are dancing and clapping hands. So let's just check that out.
Ice cream. I love ice cream. Yeah, go on.
Great. Now, that's awesome. And you can really see the power of VO. Now, I have the Pro plan. The full plan that you need to do longer extended clips is the Ultra. I can only do 8 seconds at a time, but it's good for the demo purposes for this. What Google wanted to have the extended version, the Ultra version for, which is much more expensive, and we'll go into that in a minute, is because they want people who are in proper studios to have the ability to make extended 60-second clips. So that being said, you can't do anchor references to this. You might still need to use Leonardo AI to create, or some other image generated. And actually, ChatGPT does this quite well right now, which is make anchor references, drag them over to a place called Kling AI, and then do the lip sync at that part of it with your song. I'm based in Australia. I don't natively have access to VO3 in Australia. It's only available in America, but there's 2 affiliate links that are going to be down below. One is going to be Kling AI, because if you want to use anchor references to make lip sync videos, you can do that. Kling AI is the best that I've had there. But I signed up for Google Gemini, which gives you access to VO. In Australia, blocked out version 3. I jumped onto ExpressVPN, and it did actually show, and I created these with VO3. So there's a bonus. If you're in Australia, you can use it. Like I said, my affiliate link to ExpressVPN is down below. You can check it there, or just do what you want to do. Go to another VPN. But I've used ExpressVPN for a while, quite successfully. Even through, I'm not going to say some other country that I've been to that doesn't necessarily like VPNs, I've been able to successfully use it there. So what are some other ones? Let's just going to show you a couple more examples that other people have done. The reason I want to show you why, there's a drum beat that happens in there, and anybody who's made music videos through different AI platforms that we've done, like matching drum beats or guitar beats, we do a lot of masking. Like you might show quickly someone on the guitar, or try to get 1 or 2 drum hits to go with the music. But over like a longer segment, it really kind of shows. So we do some sort of video tricks in there to sort of mask that. But let's just show another one where you actually can.
We're gonna light up the sky. I'm not sure I can go on.
Cool. The thing is, the songs themselves are created within VO. So you can't use an anchor song and say, match the lips to this. You can see if I go to try and hover, well, actually, I'll just show it here. I've got video on it as well, but I'll just show. Cool. So here's what I did here. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to, nope, not available yet. And I'll just show you, it is version 3 that comes up. Even though I am in Australia, I'm on ExpressVPN, and it shows me VO3. If I was in Australia before, without being on the VPN, it was just showing VO2. But yeah, you can't click reference videos or anything, or upload your songs here and have it lip sync that. So you can't get the quality or the output that you're looking for, say, if you do some of the other tools and add them into, say, Kling. Let me just show you what you can do if you use Kling with your own music. I've created my music in Suno, then I created an anchor image as a reference in Leonardo AI, and then had it match the lip sync using Kling AI. And let me just show you what that looks like.
Thou art most vain, thou thinkst the songs of thee, thy trumpet blown so endlessly.
Okay, I showed you the 8-second clip option, which is something like $30 a month. I'll just bring the pricing comparisons up here. Okay, so like I'm in Australia, I only actually had 2 options for that, but I just want to show American pricing at the moment. So for a month, you can get AI Pro. It's, you know, $20 a month, whatever, and you can get access to that VO3. But there's a larger option where you can get those 60-second clips for like basically $125 a month with this special offer. The reason they want to do that, the whole point of VO3 was for that higher tier thing, but you can obviously use it for the lower one. Where I think you could really benefit from VO3, if you're living in the US or if you have a VPN such as ExpressVPN, if you want to make short songs and you don't want to be particularly customizable, you could ask VO3 to make a 1-minute song about ice cream, and it could sing it and you could just pop it up there. I don't think like this channel and this community is all about that. But I do also think that VO3, like Google's going to have to, at some point, push it out there where you can add external references to that. So do I think like this community, this AI music community, is going to have a huge benefit from VO3 now? No, definitely not at the added cost. And you're talking like right now, if you're serious into it, you're paying the Suno or Udio fee that's like, $10 a month or more. You're talking about image generation, which if you want to have a base image or you want to have that reference, you're going to have to. So, and me, I use Leonardo. You're going to have to use Kling for some other things. And then you're going to have to pay that $125 a month for the extended version of VO or VO3 or Gemini AI. Cool. So where I think right now our headspace is AI music video creators is, it takes a long time, right? You're going and you're figuring out the prompt that you want. You go a long time to get the actual image for the base image, for the reference, for that anchor. And then you're going to things like Kling and you're trying to get it match up. It's taking a long time, and the renderings can take, 2, 3, 4 minutes for the image, for the lip sync, and then it doesn't work. So I think the temptation is to go like, this is an easier way I can save a lot of time. At this stage, I don't think it is. I think VO is a fantastic tool and it creates really good images, but we really need anchor references. It's not the tool for us right now for that purpose, maybe for other purposes. I know someone like Lewis Nomad, who I've interviewed previously, one of my first interviews, he's going to be looking at this really closely because he does full length. He has like a marketing agency that he's sort of creating to create, full length commercials. And 60-second clips, if you look over at his page of creating like a hamburger or something like that, and then maybe adding some graphics in post-production, you can sort of do that. For us in general, maybe not entirely, maybe for little clips, but then again, you're adding another $20 a month minimum on to do that, where you can do that with other tools that you sort of have. Look, this is a fantastic tool. It's very exciting, and AI tools in general are getting pretty crazy. The lines between filmmaking and prompting are getting blurred, and I think that's the area that Google is trying to get to. I don't think they're there yet. 60-second clips and no anchor references. If you want to create a cinematic sort of musical thing, you're still going to have to rely on some of the tools. You're going to have to grind it out for a little bit longer. If you've tried out VO3 and you have a different experience, you have another use case I haven't really thought of for this sort of thing, let me know in the comments below. Again, subscribe, check out the charity, check out my affiliate links down below, which is Kling and ExpressVPN. If you want to check out VO3 and you're outside of the US, you're definitely going to have to use a VPN. You may have one, or you might want to try mine down below. I would appreciate it if you do. But yeah, I just want to wrap that up. Tell you that I've tried it, just show you a few examples, and we'll look forward to some of the enhancements of VO3 when they come out. And as soon as it makes it so you can make really cool music videos in the way that we want to do it, I will let you know that. You'll be the first to hear it here. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you next time.